Hello and welcome back to the channel. So following on from the biography series that I started, I now bring you the life and times of Rotimi Amaechi. So now this is going to be a brief synopsis of Rotimi Amaechi's history, who he is, his personal lives, etc. So a brief synopsis, like I said, is not a full detailed biography, but just a summary. So some information might be missing, some information might be news to you, and some information might be things you already know, but the total package really will be interesting for you to listen to and engage with. So Rotimi Amaechi, the life and times, his children, his family. Does he own a private jet? Well, let's find out. So, Rotimi Amaechi is a top Nigerian political figure. He was the former governor of Rivers State and is currently the Federal Minister of Transportation in Nigeria. Before his defection to the All Progressive Congress on the 27th of November 2013, Rotimi Amaechi was an active member of the People's Democratic Party. So, Rotimi Amaechi was born on May 27, 1965, to the prominent elder Fidelis and Mary Amaechi family. He is a native of Ibima in Rivers State. His education: Rotimi attended St. Teresa's Primary School, 1970 to 1976. His secondary school education, he attended the Federal Secondary School, Okolo Biri. He moved on to the Rivers State University of Science and Technology, from where he later transferred to obtain a degree in Studies and Literature from the University of Port Harcourt in 1987. Whilst in school, his political traits were conspicuous. He was the president of the National Union of Rivers State Students, NURSS. In 1982, he completed his National Youth Service. So now we go on to his political career, which is really the interesting bit. This is really where his life really kicked off. Amaechi's political career. After his political stint in school, Rotimi started off politics on a more serious note, serving as the secretary of the defunct National Republic Convention in Ikwere local government area. After his NYSC, he worked for a while with the Pamo Clinic and Hospital Limited, owned by the Deputy Governor of Rivers State up until 1992. From there, he became a special assistant to the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Peter Odili. In no time, Peter Odili became his mentor. He worked side by side with him, as he also became a member of the board of West African Glass and Industry Limited. In 1996, Rotimi was Rivers State Secretary of the Democratic Party of Nigeria (DPN), that was then under the Sani Abacha administration. With the help of his political godfather Odili, Rotimi became a member of the Rivers State House of Assembly in 1999. He also became the Speaker of the House and served 2 tenures in that capacity. That was from 1999 to 2005. His relationship with Peter Odili went sour as he tirelessly fought and succeeded in replacing him on October 26, 2007 as governor. He contested and won under the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and was re-elected in 2011 for a second tenure under the same party. Rotimi Amaechi's administration had its perks. It oversaw the rise in infrastructural development, particularly on road construction, urban renewal, and modernization transportation in Rivers State. After the 2015 elections, Rotimi contested the results and requested a rerun. Following the rerun, he lost the gubernatorial seat to the current governor, Ozonwo Wike. The political titan, who has always been under the PDP umbrella, defected to the opposition, the All Progressive Congress. The defection earned him an appointment as the opposition party's Director General of the presidential campaign. It also secured him his current position as Minister of Transportation. So now we go on to Rotimi Amaechi's achievements. Rotimi Amaechi is one of Nigeria's prominent political personalities. As such, he has made notable achievements in politics. Rotimi Amaechi holds one of the highest national titles in Nigeria. He has been conferred the Commander of the Order of Niger, CON. He became a chieftain in the year 2000 with the conferment of the Ochi Oliri of Ekweri land that same year. Apologies, by the way, for the way I pronounced that. Let me attempt it again, actually. He became a chieftain in 2000 with the conferment of the Ochi Oliri of Ekweri land. That same year, the minister, who has an oil refinery in Ghana, also won the International Award for Political Leadership. Rotimi won a couple of awards in 1999 for his brilliant service in Parliament as the Speaker. Within a few years as governor, he enriched Rivers State with social amenities, renovated and constructed schools from primary to university, and awarded scholarships to students, including scholarships to study abroad. He renovated and constructed roads and initiated the construction of the overhead railway in Rivers, and so far is rated the best governor the state has ever had. So now we go on to his family. Rotimi Amaechi got married to Judith Amaechi in 1993, and together they have 3 children: Obinna Amaechi, Chinkampa Amaechi, and Lenchi Amaechi. The former governor of Rivers State also has a younger brother, Chidi Amaechi. So now we go on to the private jet, and this is quite a controversial one. The former governor of Rivers State purchased the Brazilian-made Legacy, which he said was for the state government. Whether it belongs to the state or not though, Amaechi has been rated amongst Nigerians who own private jets. So now here are some quick fun facts that you might or might not know about Rotimi Amaechi. Amaechi was born in Ubima in Ekweri, local government area of Rivers State. We've already noted that. He is a graduate of English Studies and Literature from the University of Port Harcourt. We've already stated that. He was a special assistant to the Deputy Governor of Rivers State and has also served as the Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly from 1999 to 2007. He became the 5th Governor of Rivers State in 2007 and served till 2015. During his ministerial screening with the Senate, he said he has never taken a bribe in his life. So now that is the biggest joke of the year, of course. He defected from a PDP to join the ruling APC in 2013. So those are just some fun facts that you may or may not have known about Rotimi Amaechi. So just a brief summary about his life, just to give you some facts, to give you a better understanding of who this man is. So let me know what you make of the facts that you have just heard in the comment section. Did you already know a lot of this information? And which of these information came as news to you? So let's have a discussion around this in the comment section, Rotimi Amaechi and all that. But before you come to the comment section to have this conversation with me, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Once you've done both, join me in the comment section where this conversation carries on. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.